Hi, if you would like to reset camera settings on iPhone 16e, then you need to find settings on the phone, open it, and choose General. Then scroll all the way down to see this option Transfer or Reset iPhone and pick it. After that, click on Reset option and choose to reset all settings. So yeah, we got no separate option to reset just camera settings, but we can reset all settings including camera. And don't worry, this won't delete any of your data or media, it will remain still. So you can just click this red button and all of your passwords will be resetted as well. Cards will be removed from Apple Pay, display zoom will be back to default state, and so on. But it will also reset camera settings. So if you want to do this, just click again this red button and then your phone will turn off. You will see Apple logo on the screen and within 2 minutes it will turn back on and you'll see this display in your camera as you first set up this phone. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.